a solemn Thanksgiving service on June 6, 2019, New Delhi YMCA heralded a year-long celebrations to mark the 175 years of World YMCA movement. Several events were held throughout the year to coincide with the global celebrations. Every department of New Delhi YMCA made a special effort to reach out to the society with colorful and meaningful programs. It was a fitting tribute to the vision of George Williams, the founder of YMCA movement. The official launch of the celebrations was held on 17th August. At a glittering ceremony, Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, Anil Bajal, hailed the work of YMCA movement and praised New Delhi YMCA for carrying on the tradition.
Today there are YMCAs in 125 countries, serving more than 58 million members. What a fantastic global footprint it is. The New Delhi YMCA, I given to understand, serves cross-section of the society through the various programs which I am sure you are all familiar with.
Popular Indian pianist Brian Silas regaled the packed house with his haunting Indian melodies. World champion boxer Mary Kom and several other Indian sports stars attended the function. The festivities ended on November 3rd with a 3-day International Youth Festival. Besides several Indian YMCAs, participants from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Myanmar added color to the youth festival.
When we stepped into India, so much of people were helping us, even in the airport as well. And when we step back to the YMCA, you take care of us like a kids or your own kids.
It helps to make a wonderful connectivity with the youth to youth. It's nation to nation, gender to gender, and to all the worldwide. So we think that it will help to make international connectivity among the young with the young empowerment. So I hope that Delhi YMCA started a wonderful journey.
First of all, thank you for your invitations and really enjoy and really exciting to stay here.
So, and also very happy and very excited feeling.
Oh my God.
Happy.
Yeah, actually it is my first experience of NTR and it's really amazing, yeah.
Just when it was all set for a grand finale, the corona endemic shook the world. In the true spirit of humanity, New Delhi YMCA took upon itself to help thousands of uprooted migrants. With the help of Delhi police, New Delhi YMCA served 1,000 packets daily to the hungry migrants. Through its Social and Human Development Department, New Delhi YMCA also distributed dry rations and face masks. It may not have been a closing ceremony with a fanfare, but the spirit of YMCA prevailed. And what could have been better than serving the needy to bring the curtains down to the 175-year celebrations?